Hi, this is Annie from New York Life Coaching. So, how to make people feel heard? Last week, we talked about various forms of validation, responding, paraphrasing, and emphasizing. Today, I will show you one more and a very important technique called mirroring. Mirroring helps us to establish rapport with each other. You probably are already doing a lot of this unconsciously with your friends and family. However, you can also use it intentionally. You may have heard some of those dating tips. If you want your date to like you more, try to subtly mimic them, their facial expressions, speech patterns, and their postures. If they lean forward to tell you something, you lean in to meet them. If they raise their eyebrows and smile, you raise yours and smile back. Since we're social animals, we relax when we feel that we are surrounded by those who are just like us. Mirroring activates our mirror neurons to form a greater sense of connection and understanding. It is also often used in a business setting to build trust and form alliances. To place it in the coaching context, when we meet with clients, it's important to pay attention to the metaphors they use, which is the poetic function of language. It will reveal their preferred way to channel information. They may have a tendency to use metaphors that are visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. This indicates that they mostly process thoughts either with images, sounds, or motion. According to NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, you can also detect these cues in their eye movement. When you ask someone a question, if they tend to look up, they think visually. If they look horizontally, they are auditory thinkers. And if they look down, they are kinesthetic thinkers. So a more visual client will use metaphors based on images. For example, I need to see what the big picture is. Let's look at this differently. I like to have a different perspective. On the other hand, an auditory thinker may say, that sounds great. That rings a bell. Does this resonate with you? And a kinesthetic thinker may say, I have a gut feeling about it. I can handle this. It's really walking a fine line here. Now, the way the coach does mirroring should be adapted to the client's preferred metaphorical system. For example, for visual clients, say, I can see what you're saying. For an auditory client, say, I hear what you're saying. For a kinesthetic client, say, yes, I get it. So my invitation to you is, when you speak to someone, pay attention to their representational style. Do they use words that are visual, auditory, or kinesthetic? For coaches, we can observe and practice mirroring the client's preferred way of expression. This will make them feel understood and cared for. Okay, that's what I have for you today. If you're interested to learn more, check out our training at New York Life Coaching Institute. Take care.